Hello and welcome back. Welcome back, guys. Let's go to take our session and let's go to discuss about more today's news series another attack over cattle smuggling. Smuggling claims in Jammu, three injured, 17 booked, 3 people were hurt, one severely in an alleged cattle smuggling dispute in Jammu's Ramban. An FIR has been filed against 17 individuals, with the victims alleging they were wrongly confirmed, mistreated, and hit with stick. This is the second attack this year, with a previous one resulting in a death. Now see this. What are AI designed virus, and are humans at risk? Researchers have used artificial intelligence to develop 16 new viruses that can infected bacteria with varying levels of effectiveness. While there are concerns about the potential misuse of this technology, the study published in Science researchers that these viruses do not pose a threat to humans right now. No risk, no way back for Infantino. Norway FA demands FIFA presents resignations. Norway Football Federation has joined the calls for FIFA President Gianni Infantino to step down after his failed plan to seek strikes in the World Cup. The federation has lost trust in Infantino and believes he is not capable of implementing reform in the sport. They did not vote for him in the 2023 election and urged him to resign for the sake of football. Series. Opposition candidate, which minister will come to house and response? Rizizu, oh bhai sahab, see this. What does St. Louis triumph means to Pragananda? Indian Grandmaster R. Pragnanandha, known for his success in classical chess, won the Grand Chess Tour St. Louis event in the rapid and blitz format. His clinical consistency and methodical approach led to a round 2 superior victory, earning him $50,000. Oh bhai sahab. And second place on the GCT leader board. This make him a top contender for the tour finals, with India's top player currently struggling. Oh bhai sahab. Now from Indra Point to Kibithu, India's most remote destinations, India's geography to deserve a ranking from the Himalayas to tropical islands. The country's extremities hold unique and remote destinations rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. These include Indra for India's northeastmost point, Indra Point, famous for its lighthouse, Kibithu, where the first sunrise is witnessed. Guhar Moti, a finishing village on the India-Pakistan border, who is liable when AI goes rough. Lawyers see new risk. AI companies are facing legal questions and potential liabilities after reports of their autonomous AI models breaching others companies' cyber infrastructure. The issue raises concern about who can be held responsible for AI system acting without human oversight. Possible plaintiffs include breach companies, branched companies, their employees and customers, shareholders, and government agencies. Why, sir? See this. PDP is Iljatija summoned to police station over assault on COP during protest. It Iltiza Mufati, daughter of the PDP leader Mehbooba Mufti, was questioned by police for illegally assaulting a police officer during a protest against the abrogation of Article 370. She defends her party's focus on restoring J&K's uh, special status and criticize BJP's action. PDP will continue to protest against the decision made on August 5, 2029. 2019. Sorry, not 29. Now see this. Divya Tripathi on breast milk leaking when her baby cries. Oh bhai sahab. No one told me. Oh bhai sahab. Breastfeeding is a natural process, but the realities of nursing are often not discussed before childbirth. Divyaka Tripathi Dahiya, a mother of twin boys, recently opened up about the challenges of breastfeeding in a YouTube blog. She discussed the unexpected milk leakage, breast in ignorement, and more. Obstetrician Dr. Ghana Srinivas explained the body's natural breastfeeding reflexes. Oh, bhai sahab, this is very serious issue. Now, Rash, Rak, Rakshita C, the soldier betting India's next big thing. Rakshita Sri Santosh Ramraj, a 19-year-old badminton player, has been making a name for herself in the competitive world of women's singles in India, with a ranking of ninth in India and 49th in the world. She has been impressing with her wins over top players. Her coach believes that one big tournament win could elevate her game to the next level. See this. Has Gunnar Barar done enough to be picked for Sri Lanka Test ahead of Pari, Parashid Krishna? See this. Fans allowed free entry during India versus Sri Lanka Test series. ओके CLC नहीं बहुत कोई तो पसंद करता है आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द पर्सन जस्ट लाइक दिस सो आई अवॉइड दिस ओके महिमा मकवाना ऑन जर्नी फ्रॉम मुंबई चावल टू मुसाफिर कैफ़े ओ भाई साहब मेड अ लाइव फ्रॉम scratched Mahima Makwana, a popular TV actor, shared her journey and insight in an interview with Screen. She began her career as a child artist in Balika Badhu. Balika Badhu, yes, I had already watched that all session, guys, and gained fame with Spen Sudhani. सपने सुहाने लड़कपन के yes I saw this serial in my childhood yes definitely so excited when we watch on TV screen and full family with full family not alone okay full family just watch that scene that all season all season yes around half hour daily in night time yes and very excited oh bhai sahab that moment so now next Sapne Suhane Ladakpan Ke she has now made her film debut with Salman Khan in Antim and is also starring in the Netflix series Musafir Cafe. Oh bhai sahab, Musafir Cafe. I had seen this also. Now, Vinny Quas Jr. sings contract extension with Real Madrid till 2032. Real Madrid's Brazilian forward Victorious Jr. has put an end to the speculation about his future by signing a contract extension until 2032. The club prizes his pivotal role in their 2014 titles, including 3 La Liga wins and 2 Champions League victories. The financial details were not disclosed. Madrid also announced the signing of 19-year-old Yan Diamond from Lapis. Okay. Isha Ambani, most of the series guys both okay then guys see you another session another day because time is this is session is long I cover all full day journey then I see next session okay then see you another session another day and telling me on comment section how is today's session okay how was today's session telling me on comment section okay then see you another session Jai Hind Jai Bharat again say you all say on comment section Jai Hind Jai Bharat.